Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. This criminal appeal arises from a special leave petition in which notice was issued solely on the question of sentence stop. From that point of view of the case, it is necessary to keep in mind only the relevant broad features of the prosecution case that were accepted by the trial court, leading to a conviction of the two appellants as well as three others under section 325 read with section 149 and under sections 148A, 308/149 and 323/149 of the IPC stanza. The trial court imposed punishment of rigorous imprisonment for 3 years along with a fine of rupees 12,000 each for the offence under section 308/149 and lesser sentences including fines for the remaining offences. Stop. Rupees 70,000 out of the fine amount was ordered to be paid to the injured by way of compensation. Stop. The High Court heard the appeal of all the 5 convicts against their conviction and sentence together with a criminal revision filed on behalf of the injured for converting the conviction of all for the offence under section 307 IPC and for enhanced punishment stanza. The High Court considered the materials in detail and held the appellants as well as other 3 co-accused guilty of offence punishable only under section 325 read with section 149 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop. While maintaining the conviction and sentence for the other minor offences, the High Court for the aforesaid major offence enhanced the sentence of RI for 5 years and fine of rupees 20,000 each, and in default the concerned convict has to undergo further imprisonment for a period of 1 year. Stop. On behalf of the appellants, it has been highlighted that the other 3 co-accused who were convicted for similar offences were ordered by the High Court to be released on probation of good conduct for the term of imprisonment stanza. Although such relief was granted to those 3 co-accused mainly on consideration of their old age varying between 85 to 75 years, the appellants claim parity on account of similar role assigned to all the 5 convicts. Stop. It was also highlighted that the occurrence is of 1997 and the ordeal of long trial has been faced by the appellants for about 19 years. Stop. The parity claimed by the appellants is misconceived. Stop. The concession shown to other 3 convicts was mainly on the ground of their extreme old age, and that in our view justified the special treatment extended in their case stanza. The High Court enhanced the sentence from 3 years to 5 years RI for the main offence because it was concerned and moved by the suffering of the injured Budhram on account of the sole head injury caused by lathi. Stop. Budhram was brought to court but was unable to dispose because of mental impairment suffered by him. Stop. Had the prosecution witnesses been able to pinpoint the accused who caused the head injury on Budhram, we would have definitely treated him to be responsible of a graver offence meriting higher punishment, but unfortunately no such specific role has been assigned to any of the 5 convicts. Full stop.